Hello, today I will be doing a physics experiment of a movement of inertia of a solid ball. The material that I will be using, or the equipment that I will be using to do this experiment is books. I went for my Oxford encyclopedias because I have many of these books and they're all approximately the same width. We'll be using a tape measure. Marble will be our solid ball. And I will be using this coat hanger to stabilize the tape measure. Also, I will be using this pen and paper to write down the results, and I will be using my phone as a stopwatch to calculate the speed at which the marble is going down the tape measure. I'll be using the tape measure to stabilize the ball rolling down, and also the coat hanger to stabilize it even further. And then I will, at each book's height, calculate how the moment of inertia of this ball is going. I will have to do the calculation 10 times for each angle, just to be sure that my measurement is as close to real as possible. Of course, I will not be able to do exact measurement because of my human error, because of bad equipment. But the more times I do for each angle, it will be more accurate. Yeah, that's what I will be doing. So I will be using my phone as a stopwatch, and this will be my setup. Unfortunately, I don't have a plank or a pipe that I could be using to roll the marble down, but I figured out that since the tape measure is shaped like this, I could roll the marble down the tape measure just like this. And I would calculate the speed at which the marble is going, measure for each book 10 times, first one 10 times, second one 10 times, and so on for all the 5 books. Then I would put it all into the formula, calculate sinus beta, calculate the acceleration, and then determine the moment of inertia of the solid ball that's rolling down. I will then write all of those calculations in my book, odnosno, kako se ovo zove? Notebook. Write it all down in my notebook and calculate it and put it in my table, and that table is obviously shown on the paper that I have submitted. So yeah, that's basically the experiment of the moment of inertia of a solid ball, and I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did making it, and I hope you have a good day. Allah man.